What's up, super scientists? Mr. Ben, again, ready to rock. This week, I'm so excited to continue learning with you. I miss and love you all so much. And I've been really loving learning so much about birds. They're one of my most favorite animals. We've been keeping records of the birds we've been seeing around the neighborhood. So keep that up. You can do that every day. I even got some really cool science drawings from some friends that really made my week. I can tell you're really working hard trying to draw and label your bird drawings. And then I started thinking, we've learned about some different kinds of birds. We've learned about body parts and how they live their lives. And now I'm starting to wonder, where do birds sleep? Where do birds sleep? Luckily this week we're going to investigate a whole lot more, and I think you're going to like the challenge. I think you're going to like it. You're going to have to be like a bird, but I think you're going to really like it. Get ready to be bird-brained.